number 10, I'm sure you've all seen this one. He throws it over the shed, over the bridge, and it hits the guy while the enemy is running. And at number 9, he throws the throwing knife over quite a distance, over some stuff, and the enemy runs right into the throwing knife. At number 8, Duffzor throws it through the open roof. It flies over roofs and into another open roof and hits the guy who's at number 7. The guy's running across the map and he just falls dead, like a sniper shot him or something. But no, someone threw a knife across the map and hit him smack in the forehead. At number 6, he throws a knife through the open roof. It bounces off a plane into the guy's head. In 4th place, it's thrown, bounces off the building and barely scrapes his eye. That counts as a kill. In 3rd place, he throws it, bounces off the shed, and into the guy. Now this kill was not across the map, but it was an exception because it was really, really great. Fantastic. He like spins in a circle after jumping off a roof and throws the throwing knife. It bounces off the ground and goes into the guy's foot. Amazing. Unbelievable, and I could have never done this. Now at number 1 is the one and the only terminal, where he throws it all the way across the map. It bounces off the plane, off the box, and gets the guy in the back. And the coolest part is he doesn't even see it coming. This was amazing and worthy of 1st place on my top 10 kills across the map in Modern Warfare 2. Thanks for watching Top 10 Throwing Knife Kills across the map in Modern Warfare 2 with commentary from Chopper775. For more, go to Chopper775's Movies channel. And don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.